Hi all, welcome back to my channel DBA Talks with Tabassum. So do you know that Microsoft has released SQL 2025 preview? Well, this preview is not for production, but to give us a sneak peek that what is coming in future of SQL database. So if you're a developer, tester, content creator, or wants to learn more about SQL 2025, you should definitely try this preview. Now, how to install the SQL 2025 preview and what are the key features of SQL 2025? To know more about it, just stay in this video. So here is the official website to download SQL 2025. Register it, just fill your basic details in it and then click on download now. After clicking download now, an exe file will be downloaded. Just click on the exe file, click on basic, click on I accept and then click on install. So here the packages will be downloaded first and then it will get installed. Once SQL is installed, it will give you the option to install SSMS. By clicking on it, it will redirect you to Microsoft website where you can download SSMS 21, which is the latest version. The package will download as well as install it. See, SQL is installed. It is SQL 2025 Enterprise Evaluation version. For SQL 2025 features, follow for part 2.